It is not single sunroof, it is a double sunroof, it is called panoramic. Just you select the car, rest of the things we'll see, look after.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఛానల్. ఈరోజు నేను వింగ్స్ కార్స్ దగ్గర వచ్చానండి. లాస్ట్ టైం అయితే ఈ వీడియో చూశారు కదా, వింగ్స్ కార్స్ వీళ్ళ దగ్గర చాలా వెహికల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో లాస్ట్ టైం అయితే డీటెయిల్స్ కనుక్కున్నాం. ఈసారి కూడా వీళ్ళ దగ్గర చాలా మల్టిపుల్ వెహికల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. బ్రాండ్స్ అన్ని చేంజ్ అయినాయి, వెహికల్స్ అన్ని చేంజ్ అయినాయి. సో వెళ్ళేసి ఒకసారి కనుక్కుందాం వెహికల్స్ ఏ వెహికల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ప్రైస్ ఏంటిది, స్టార్టింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఏంటిది, మరి మనకు కావాల్సిన వెహికల్స్ వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్నాయా లేవా అని ఒకసారి కనుక్కుందాం.
Hi viewers, I am Prabodh Kumar from Wings Cars. I am the proprietor of this Wings Cars. Now we are showing Hyundai Creta, which is an SX optional. It is having with sunroof, push button, and it is in absolute immaculate condition with scratchless. It's having brand new tires and alloy wheels also. It's the latest alloy wheels. It will be having LED screen, cruise controls, steering controls, and also sunroof. It is not single sunroof, it is a double sunroof. It is called panoramic. It will open full roof. You can see it here. It's opening full. And also interior is also in neat condition. Dashboard, airbags, everything is there. It's having adjustable view mirrors and unlock from here. You can lock and unlock from here. And having power windows. Now it is an SX optional. When it comes to price, it is 15 lakhs negotiable. We can arrange finance for you for this car, and also we'll provide RTA work. We'll see. It is a one roof stop for you. Once you visit our showroom, everything will be just you select the car. Rest of the things we'll see. Look after. Yeah, this is S Cross, grey color, 2018 model Zeta. Variant is Zeta. It is also in good condition. Single owner one. There is no scratches at all. It is a neat and clean condition. Now you go to exterior. Everything is fine. Tires are good and alloy wheels also in the latest version. No scratches at all. You can see it in the video. And its features are LED screen, AC, climate control AC, and cruise control, steering adjustments, power windows, lock and unlock button from this driver seat only, interior adjustable side view mirrors, and it is a manual one. Manual transmission. Upholstery is also good. Seat covers are very fine. And it is also a push button car. Its version is Zeta, no? It will be coming with push button start. It's also having rear wiper, ample boot space, and stepney and everything also. Toolkit, everything. The vehicle is in fine condition. And when it comes to price, it is 9.5 lakhs negotiable. Just its quoting price. You once see the car, we'll negotiate with the directly owner. We only charge our commission. We deal it with the directly owner. You can talk to the owner and finalize the price. It's Honda City, white color, in top condition. Maybe it is SV, and it is in tires are good, and there are no scratches on the body. Everything is fine. When it comes to interior, it is also having LED screen. It's a key start one, steering controls, cruise controls, climate control AC. It's a manual version, automatic transmission, not an automatic, it is a manual transmission. Seating, dashboard, roof, everything is in fine condition. No tear outs, everything is fine. When it comes to kilometer, it is driven around 90,000. It's having with mic. Music system is also in fine condition. As you see in the video, exterior is also wonderful, and everything is fine, and no damages at all in the roof. Tire and everything is there. Unused stepney, and also toolkit is available. When it comes to the details, it is a 2015 model Honda City, white color, SV variant, and price is 5,75,000. It is negotiable. Deal with the customer. It is a park and sale vehicle. We'll deal with the customer directly so that you will get a reasonable and fair price. Okay, this is Hyundai i10 1.2 Magna. It is maroon in color, and vehicle is non-accident one. There are no scratches. Maybe small 1 and 2 are there, but absolute condition is in top. And tires are also good. Exterior is also good. There are no scratches. When it comes to interior, there is a music system, and it is a key start. Kilometers driven is 60,000. It's also having central locking, 4 power windows, interior adjustable side view mirrors, Upholstery is good, seat covers are new, and roof is also new. AC, power steering, music system, manual transmission. These are the features of this car. Exterior also in top condition, also having showroom track, genuine non-accident car. There are no accidents at all, no touch-ups and everything. You can see headlights and everything are glowing. Once again, I tell you the price. It is 3,30,000 negotiable. We can arrange finance. For this model also, you don't have any doubt. You can get the finance. It is 2013 model. Now this is Ertiga 2021 model, purple color, ZXi Plus. It is also a push button car, non-accident, single owner, alloy wheels, airbags, ABS, everything is there. Tires are good. Minor scratches are there, but it is an original paint version, so that there are no touch-ups. Scratches also, minor scratches. It's not. It is negligible. It's a petrol car. It is a push button start, steering controls, power steering, interior adjustable side view mirrors, dashboard upholstery is very nice, wooden finish upholstery, LED screen is there. It's a manual transmission, and roof AC, seat covers are good, all the matting and everything is fine. It's a push button car. It's also having roof rails. It is driven around 65,000 and price is 11.5 lakhs negotiable. It's a direct owner's car. You can negotiate with the owner. You'll get a reasonable and fair price. We only charge our commission, that's all. And we arrange finance. We look after our RTA. We arrange insurance. Everything will be there in the sunroof. Thank you. It's Maruti Baleno, automatic transmission. Variant is Zeta. It is Maruti blue color. It's a genuine non-accident showroom track car. It is driven around 50,000 kilometers. Upholstery is very neat. Exterior is neat. Tires are good. It's also having alloy wheels. Variant is Zeta, so it will come with alloy wheels, airbags, ABS, interior control, side view mirrors, and no scratches at all. It's a showroom track single owner car. When it comes to interior, dashboard is neat. It's having two airbags, steering controls, power windows, and unlock and lock button is there at the driver side. Seat covers are good, and it is a automatic transmission. Roof is very nice. Seat covers are good. Kilometer driven is 51,000, and it is a push button one. Okay, it is having cruise controls. It's having music system, climate control AC. Seat covers are good. The roof is very nice, and all the interiors are very nice. Dashboard and everything is no damages on the dashboard. Having airbags, two airbags, 7D matting. It's a genuine non-accident single owner vehicle. Tires and everything are good. It's also having neat boot space. This is stepney. Toolkit is there. No damages at all. Single owner car. Original paint. Showroom track vehicle. Tire condition is also 80 to 90%. Just you key it and go. Car is in condition of key it and go condition. Now we come to the Swift. It is VDI Type 3 version and grey in color. Single owner. Showroom track vehicle. No tampering kilometers. Upholstery is also very good. Exterior is good. Minor scratches, 1 or 2 are there, but tires are good. 80% tires are there. There are no scratches at all. When it comes to interior, cruise controls. Its variant is VDI. Around 90,000 kilometers it is driven. It is having music system, manual transmission, and it has two airbags. It's provided with two airbags. One is driver seat and another is pavilion driver. And it is also having rear view mirror, interior adjustable mirrors. So, roof is very nice. Seat covers are good. It's single owner car, non-accident. It is also having comprehensive insurance, second key. Everything is available. As good as new condition. There are no suspension noise. There are no dry shaft noise. Once again, I'll tell you the details of 2018 VDI, 51,000 kilometers, single owner with comprehensive insurance. Its price is 6,90,000 negotiable.
సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో మీరు పూర్తి వరకు చూస్తున్నారంటే వీడియోలో ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీకు నచ్చిందని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ఇలాంటి మంచి మంచి వీడియోస్ అయితే వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఛానల్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, వీడియోకి లైక్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ మీ వాళ్ళకి ఎవరికైనా యూస్ఫుల్ ఉంటుందంటే వాళ్ళకు కూడా షేర్ చేయండి. సో మరి మీకు మీ వెహికల్ కూడా సేల్ చేయాలనుకుంటే డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో నా నంబర్ ఇస్తానండి, మీరు నాకు కాల్ చేయొచ్చు. డైరెక్ట్ ప్రమోషన్ చేశానండి. అది కాకుండా మీకు కూడా ఏదైనా వెహికల్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఉంటే మీరు కాల్ చేయండి. ఆ వెహికల్ కూడా తెప్పియడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ చేయండి, అది కూడా తెప్పియడానికి ట్రై చేస్తానండి. సో థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ వీడియో అండి. మరి కొత్త వీడియోతోని కలుద్దామండి రేపటి. ఇంకా మీకు ఏదైనా వెహికల్ ఉంటే ఖచ్చితంగా కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాయ్.